Hey everyone! Here's how to remove background and add subtitles in Premiere Pro. Let's go! Here's how to remove the background. Drag your video into the timeline. Then go to Effects and search for Ultra key. Drag it onto your clip. Use the eyedropper tool and click your background color. Go to Effect Controls and adjust the matte generation, then the matte cleanup, and then the spill suppression. This removes rough edges and makes it look cleaner. Now your background is removed. Now let's work with subtitles. Go to Text, then Captions, then Create Captions. Make sure to have a voiceover to create subtitles with. Then choose Transcribe and Create Captions. This saves a lot of time. Go through and fix any mistakes in the text. Make sure everything is accurate. Then change the font, size, and position. Keep it simple and easy to read. Use high contrast colors so your subtitles stand out. That's it! That's how to remove the background and add subtitles in Premiere Pro. Follow for more Premiere Pro tutorials. See you next time.